In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing CCH OneClick. This would normally be done by your IT person or the person that installs CCH version updates. Before you install CCH OneClick, you should ensure that you have already tidied up your portal data and run the data validation tool to ensure that your data is in condition to be migrated. If you're unsure what to do in respect of this, please watch the videos on these subjects. Next, before installing OneClick, you should ensure that you have a backup of your central database, your documents database if applicable, and also your deploy folder. Another point to make is that when installing OneClick, the CSI will also install the latest version of CCH Central if you're not on the latest version at that stage. It's also important to ensure that all users are logged out of CCH Central before you start the installation process. Users will not be able to log back in until the installation process is complete, including the database upgrade at the end of the installation. In the welcome email, you will have received instructions on how to install OneClick, and one of the points made in that email is that you need to contact us first to request OneClick to be added to your license. We've done this so as to ensure that you don't accidentally install OneClick before you're ready. For instance, if you are installing a version update and you're not yet ready to install OneClick, we don't want you installing it by accident. So, in order to have OneClick added to your license, please email us at uk-cchsoftwarefulfillment@walterskluwer.com. The link to the email address is in the welcome email. Please email at least one day in advance of installing OneClick to give us time to add OneClick to your license and confirm back by email that this has been done. Once you have that confirmation, please go to cchinstall.co.uk or click on the installation link within the welcome email and click Run to download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, run the installer and you will be prompted to enter your client code and password. The client code and password are the same client code and password used to install normal CCH updates. Click Next. And then click Check for Updates. OneClick and associated components will be displayed ready for install. Click the Install Updates button to continue. Once that is complete, click the Exit button and hit Yes. You actually need to go back in and rerun the CSI to install the services. So what we'll do is we'll hit Run again, download the setup.exe, hit Run, enter our client code and our password, hit Next. And this time we go to Services Install, and the services that are required are the following. There's no harm in installing them all, but at a minimum you must install the Central Hub Service folder, the Practice Portal Service folder, the OneClick Service folder, and the Timeline Service folder. Click Install to continue. You'll be prompted to say that some of these already exist, and you're going to click Yes to continue to overwrite those, update them to the latest version. This process will take a few minutes to run. When that process is completed, click the Finish button. And now you can log into Central and let the database update run. Now that we've finished the installation process, we'll log into CCH Central. In my case, I don't have a password. And I'll be prompted to run the database update. Click Yes. Do I need to do a backup? I've already done my backup before I started, so there's no need to run a backup this time. And now I need to wait while the database upgrade runs. At this stage, I'm prompted to stop and then restart the CCH Portal message service. The process to do that will differ depending on the configuration of your computer system. In my case, all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Start, go to Services on the same computer, find the service called CCH Portal Message Service, which happens to be this one here, click on Stop, click on Start again, close that window, hit OK on the message and let the update continue. There's a message displayed at this stage advising that I'll have to run the OneClick migration process before I can start using OneClick. I'll be covering that in the next video. So I'm just going to hit OK on that message, and when finished, hit OK. The first thing you might notice after logging into Central is a new icon up here, CCH OneClick. Until we've completed the migration, that icon won't do anything. Thereafter, it will take you into the OneClick Cloud workspace, and we'll cover that in a separate video. You will also notice, if I go to File and Maintenance, that rather than Portal, I now have OneClick, and I will be covering the steps to complete your migration to OneClick in the next video. So now please watch our next video, which will walk you through the process of migrating your clients from CCH Portal to CCH OneClick. Thank you.